What can you sell at conventions? But most importantly, what can you sell as an artist that will bring you the most moolah, money? Well, that is a very extensive list, but I have 5 top products that will bring you a good amount of money from all the years that I've been selling at conventions and markets and pop-ups. So let's go ahead and go into the tea, or in this case, the coffee. And let's start off with product number 1, paintings. This has become something really popular, so you see a lot more artists selling original paintings from various sizes because people love to get something that's one of a kind, like one thing instead of art prints. And you can make the paintings as simple or as complex as you want. Like these 2 here that I have, I did tons of characters in canvas, and you can find video of each of these if you want to check how I made the artwork, but you can easily make $30 to $150 per piece. Number 2, stickers. Now, I'm showing you here some stickers of various different vendors that I've bought over the time to show you the variety of what you can do with stickers, the kind of paper that they use. I used to do like really cheap printed stickers, but you can actually start off like this and then upgrade to better quality paper. People still buy these. They're great to go on sketchbooks. But these are the ones from other artists. It's great to see what else sells. And then another category that's very similar to stickers, but it also can be put in its own, is the vinyl stickers. These are also have been very popular. They're very affordable and very quick to make once you get the initial cost of the machine that you need to cut them out. But people love to experiment with 1 color, 2 colors, different colors, and you can put these in your car, in your window, in your mirrors. Now the next one is Shrinkadink Creations. Now these can be basically keychains, charms. You can make so many different products with these. All you need are Shrinkadink paper. There's some that you can actually print your design right on them from a printer, or you can use the clear ones where you actually hand draw them and color them with markers, paint, and then you stick them in the oven and they shrink to the proper size and they get a little bit thicker. And these are a great way to start as an alternative for like acrylic keychains that you can get mass produced from other manufacturers. If you don't have much of a budget, these are a great way to go. And you can actually expand them to so many different things besides keychains and charms. You can do them into like necklaces, as you see here. Now the next thing here, and one of my favorites, is art on wood. This is very similar to paintings because, you know, paintings you paint on canvas and you can do tons of different sizes. You can go as small as 1 by 1 to as big as you want. But the wood ones, they are a little bit more affordable because you can actually use a lot of different mediums on them. You can use wood burning. You can do color pencil like the one here from Grail. They come in different shapes and sizes. Like here, the Harley Quinn, this is actually a book standee. And I'm going to be showing you how I color one of them here for CL from Black Butler. If you're enjoying this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this to more people. So for these creations, you can sell these as little as $10, $15, $20, $25. They sell very well at those price ranges. I recommend you go a little bit more for the high tier, make them more exclusive, like one of a kind, because I've sold a lot of these. The only downside is that they sometimes do take a long time depending on how detailed you want to be. And if you sell them for very low price, you're not going to get much of a profit at the end. So that's why I recommend the minimum of $10, $15 to $25. Sometimes you can even do $30 on these. And it's a really nice grab because they're small. They can put them in their bookshelves. They can put them in their room, in their work office, like in their cubicle. It's very, very easy to find a place to put these. And because these come in so many different sizes and shapes, like you can have circles, stars. These small ones sell in small packs, so they're very, very affordable. You can also get some that are maybe letter shape sizes. These are also very popular. I've sold quite a few of these because people like the letters because they are thinking how they can form their name, or for their kids' room, they'll put the letter on the door. Another thing is picture frames. These are also where they customize them by putting the pictures of their kids or themselves or of a character that they like. These are actually really, really popular. The only thing is you don't want to go too many, don't offer too many options of each one because then it becomes overwhelming. But the best thing is, like I said, it comes with different kinds of shapes. Some of them come with like decorations. All they really need is like a little standee, or you can put like a little hook in the back of them so they can hang them. We're gonna color here another one of Belle, and we're gonna use some color pencils just to show you that they can be as simple or as detailed as you want. all these products that I show you on this video, I no longer have them. They have all been sold. So all of these products can move very, very quickly if you present them to the right audience. If you do the characters that are very popular at the time, things that bring nostalgia. So I hope that these 5 products give you an idea moving forward if you have, for your next convention. If you don't know, if you can't decide what to sell or what to concentrate more on, a nice variety of these 5 products will ensure that you do make some really good profit. If you want to see more videos of these, because like I mentioned, the list is very extensive. There is a lot more products that I can cover. So let me know in the comments section down below. And thank you all so much for watching.